Alright, it's time to set up your plunge. Let's make sure you got everything that you need. This is your carbon hose filter, lights, which will come at the end, skimmy net right here to be able to grab debris out, and of course your lid, the plunge, your steps, and your chiller over here along with the hoses. Alright, it's time to set up your plunge. First, let's start with connecting the hoses from the chiller to the plunge. Now it's time to install our hoses. We're going to start with screwing them into the chiller. Make sure you have a nice snug fit, and then be sure the seal's on the inside of here. Same thing with the bottom, seal on the inside of here, clear part, and you've got a nice snug fit once you've got them nice and tight. Now, we're going to make sure they're installed in the bottom of the plunge. Either hose can go to either side. And again, make sure you've got a nice tight fit and you've got the seals on the inside before screwing on. Now before we fill up the plunge, let's make sure the drain valve is turned off. It's time to fill up your plunge. Find the carbon hose filter that was provided and connect it to your garden hose as such. Prior to putting this directly into the plunge, let the water run for at least 10 to 15 seconds first as such. Now, it's time to fill the plunge up. Now that we've got the fill line on the plunge, let's power this plunge up. First, we got to provide power to the chiller. Second, we need to make sure this switch is turned on and then simply power it on here. Give this about 90 seconds for the pump to push the water through, and you should see a solid number indicating the temperature here.